Welcome to this complete Alexandria, Egypt travel guide. Alexandria, a city where the whispers of the past meet the vibrancy of the present. The second largest city in Egypt, it's a bustling economic hub echoing with the rich cultural heritage of a bygone era. From the grandeur of ancient libraries to the sublime beauty of its palaces, Alexandria is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. Today, we delve into the top 10 things you can do in Alexandria. First up, we have the Bibliotheca Alexandrina, a major library and cultural center. This modern marvel of architecture is not just a building, but a living testament to the ancient library of Alexandria, tragically lost to antiquity. The Bibliotheca Alexandrina is more than a repository of books. It's a celebration of knowledge, a tribute to the human spirit's unquenchable thirst for learning. With its eye-catching design, this library is a beacon of culture, housing millions of books in multiple languages. It's not just about printed words, though. The Bibliotheca Alexandrina is a treasure trove of multimedia materials, digital archives, and even a planetarium. But perhaps what sets it apart is its dedication to preserving the past while embracing the future. It is home to rare manuscripts, ancient texts, and is a hub for research and discussion. In essence, it's a bridge between the past and the future. It's not just a library, it's a testament to Alexandria's timeless dedication to knowledge and culture. Next, we visit the Citadel of Qaitbay, an imposing fort with a rich history. This grand fortress was built in the 15th century by Sultan al-Ashraf Saif al-Din Qaitbay. The citadel was erected on the exact site of the famous Lighthouse of Alexandria, which was one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The lighthouse continued to function until the time of the Arab conquest, then fell into ruins and was given a new life as the citadel. The Citadel of Qaitbay served as a defensive fortress for many years. Its strategic location on the Mediterranean coast made it a crucial point of defense against potential invasions. The citadel offers not only a journey back in time, but also a breathtaking view of the Mediterranean Sea, making it a must-visit spot in Alexandria. So here's a tip: if you're a history buff with a penchant for beautiful views, this is the place for you. The Citadel of Qaitbay, where history meets the sea. Now let's stroll through the Montaza Palace and gardens. An oasis of tranquility nestled in the heart of Alexandria, these majestic grounds encompass nearly 150 acres of lush, verdant landscape. The palace itself, once a royal summer retreat, is a mesmerizing blend of Turkish and Florentine architectural styles, a testament to Egypt's rich cultural tapestry. Imagine strolling through the sprawling gardens awash with the fragrant scent of blooming flowers, the air filled with the soft rustle of palm fronds swaying in the gentle sea breeze. Picture the palace's regal facades, their intricate details a silent echo of bygone eras of grandeur and opulence. Within its walls, the palace whispers tales of kings and queens who once graced its halls, their stories forever etched in the ornate stonework. From the lavish royal suites to the grand throne room, every corner of the palace is steeped in history. The Montaza Palace, a royal retreat that offers a glimpse into Egypt's regal past. Our next stop, Pompis Pillar and the nearby Roman Amphitheater. As we delve into the Roman era in Alexandria, these 2 landmarks stand as silent yet eloquent witnesses to the city's vibrant past. Pompis Pillar, a monolithic column soaring skywards, is a testament to Roman architectural prowess. Despite its name, the pillar is not dedicated to the Roman general Pompey, but to Emperor Diocletian. It is the last of the many obelisks that once graced the Serapeum, Alexandria's Acropolis. A stone's throw away, the Roman amphitheater beckons. This impeccably preserved theater, with its semicircular tiers of marble seats, was once the epicenter of Roman entertainment. Here, the Alexandrians reveled in the theatrical performances, echoing the laughter, applause, and gasps of surprise that once filled the air. These Roman-era landmarks, with their rich history and architectural grandeur, transport you back to a time when Alexandria was the pearl of the Mediterranean, Pompey's Pillar and the Roman Amphitheater, where the echoes of Rome still linger. Moving on, we make our way to the Alexandria National Museum. Nestled in the heart of the city, this treasure trove is housed in an elegantly restored Italian-style palace, a testament to Alexandria's cosmopolitan past. The museum boasts an extensive collection, a rich tapestry that weaves together the story of Egypt across the ages. From the glittering artifacts of the Pharaonic era to the intricate mosaics of the Roman period, each exhibit whispers tales of bygone days. The Coptic era is beautifully represented, its artistry echoing the cultural shifts of the time. And let's not forget the Islamic era, its influence echoing through the ornate calligraphy and architectural designs. Each epoch is a chapter, each artifact a sentence in the narrative of this ancient land. The Alexandria National Museum is not just a showcase of artifacts, it's a journey through time, a tale told through the silent voices of the past. The Alexandria National Museum, a journey through time. Next, we explore the Corniche, a waterfront promenade, and the Stanley Bridge. Imagine a gentle sea breeze brushing past your face as you saunter along the Corniche. The promenade, hugging the Mediterranean, is a vibrant tableau of Alexandria's everyday life. Street vendors peddling their wares, fishermen casting their nets, and locals enjoying a leisurely stroll create an atmosphere that's bustling yet relaxed. Now let's shift our gaze to the Stanley Bridge. Spanning over 400 meters, this architectural marvel is a sight to behold. With its 5 distinct arches gracefully reaching out over the Mediterranean, the bridge is a testament to modern Egyptian engineering. It's a popular spot for both locals and visitors who come to enjoy the stunning views of the sea. Here, the rhythm of Alexandria's life hums along to the gentle lapping of the Mediterranean waves. The Corniche and Stanley Bridge, where Alexandria's modern life meets the Mediterranean. Our final stops, the Catacombs of KL Shakafa and the Alabas AlMuri Mosque. Shrouded in an air of mystery and steeped in history, the Catacombs of KL Shakafa are a marvel of the ancient world. Discovered in the late 19th century, these catacombs are a labyrinth of tombs and artifacts, a subterranean world that tells tales of a bygone era. The catacombs showcase a unique blend of architectural styles. Roman, Greek, and Egyptian influences intertwine, creating a fascinating cultural mosaic. The Roman influence is seen in the tiered burial style, the Greek in the mythological reliefs, and the Egyptian in the deities depicted. This fusion is a testament to Alexandria's historical diversity, a city where cultures converged and coexisted. Just as the catacombs are a window into the past, the Alabas AlMuri Mosque, named after the revered 13th century Andalusian sheikh, is a beacon of spirituality and faith. This mosque is not just a place of worship, but also a symbol of Alexandria's rich Islamic heritage. The mosque's architecture is a marvel in itself. With its lofty minarets and intricate mosaics, the Alabas AlMuri Mosque is a masterstroke of Islamic design. Its serene ambience offers a place for reflection and peace amid the bustling cityscape of Alexandria. These sites hold a mirror to Alexandria's past, reflecting the city's vibrant tapestry of cultures and religions. They stand as a testament to the city's resilience and its ability to embrace and harmonize diverse influences. As we wander through the shadowy corridors of the catacombs or stand in the serene courtyard of the mosque, we are reminded of the city's rich history. We see a city that has been shaped by the ebb and flow of empires and by the confluence of cultures and faiths. The Catacombs of KL Shakafa and the Alabas AlMuri Mosque, a testament to Alexandria's diverse cultural influences. That wraps up our guide to the top 10 things to do in Alexandria. We've journeyed through the intellectual hub of Bibliotheca Alexandrina, a beacon of knowledge and culture. We've stood in awe at the Citadel of Qaitbay, a powerful symbol of resilience and strength. We've strolled through the lush Montaza Palace and gardens, a haven of tranquility and beauty. We've marveled at the towering Pompis pillar and the ancient Roman Amphitheater, remnants of a bygone era. We've explored the rich history within the Alexandria National Museum, a treasure trove of artifacts and stories. We've breathed in the sea air along the Corniche and watched the sun set from Stanley Bridge, a perfect blend of nature and architecture. We've delved into the depths of the Catacombs of KL Shakafa and admired the grandeur of Alabas AlMuri Mosque. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or just a traveler looking for an enriching experience, Alexandria has something to offer. Until next time, safe travels.